Hi, in the meantime everything is already online. I've made a video about ArcoLinuxD.com at the University of Arclinks. Phase 7. Learn about Arch way of installing things. And the last article is always at here, down here if you scroll, right, all in one. ArcoLinux installation, uefi as choice, ext4 as file system, systemd boot to boot up, not grub, not refined, systemd boot, looks like that. And then sddm, xfce4, and then the Arclinux Spices application. So what we're missing now is a video to add here, the Arclinux Spices. What is this Spices thing always? On arcolinux.info we have the main page, right? The landing page gives you the information that we have great tools, Arclinux Tweak tool, Arclinux Spices application. It means install our Arclinux packages on any accent, any ArcoLinux based distro. Remove the desktops after installing. That's the desktop treasure. And we have still more ideas and not enough time to make more of these great tools. So we have here the video where I created in VMware Station, that's the version, and it's booted up. It's in uefi. So if you go edit, options, advanced, I've told them to mimic a new system. So okay, uefi, gave it lots of memory and lots of processor power, and off we go. Let's have a look again at the systemd. So this is the systemd look. By default I told him to boot up with ArcoLinux, and all the rest is fallback if something goes wrong, or terminal again tty, so if something goes wrong. But the rest is just, well, basically this is the line to boot. And then we're in xfce, and ext4 sddm is active. We boot up and we make this a little bit bigger. We've in previous video I would normally type rip, right? But rip is a alias what we use in ArcoLinux. Here I probably have to go to var maybe, and then log, and see that there is a pacman log in here, and see and tell you, look, I've installed OpenVM tools, right? I've installed that particular package because of VMware. Now it knows I have 1920 on 1080 pixels, thanks to the fact that I've first installed that one. Secondly, many of these things require a sudo systemctl and then enable vmtools d is the name. And then if that's enabled, voila, we're on a beautiful system. So do I have something? Well, maybe people don't know. Often people say to me, wow, there's so much installed. It's often just xfce. So all of this is xfce. It didn't do anything. Neither did I do anything here, right? So all this menu is not from me. It's just two names, xfce4, xfce4 goodies, and it's that's maybe interesting to tell again. That's a meta package or a group package, and with this one word xfce4 you get, I don't know, 20-30 packages in with all the dependencies of those packages. So maybe you get even more in. So you get a list basically. It's just not one package, it's packages. So all of these things, I've never made a decision to install Parole or anything like that, or xfburn. It's all part of xfce. Okay, I don't have a browser. I want to go to the internet. Sudo pacman -s Firefox, please, because I want to get to this Spices thing. Now Spices has seen its share of development, and it often is like that, right? We started ArcoLinux because basically I wanted to learn and I like to teach. So both of these combos are great for me, but it's not booting, so maybe I misclicked it, I don't know. what was I going to say? Spices application, yeah. On YouTube, ArcoLinux Spices. Yeah, I know what I was going to say. You want to learn, you want to program, you want to make applications, you want to learn how to do that, and then you make it yourself too complex. Why? Because you want to learn to program. And you will see videos in the past, and you see these numbers. We're now at 2600. That gives you an idea how old it is. And if you see videos like these, you will see that probably, yeah, some commercial thing here, that it will be a different look. First you want to program, you make things complex, and then you come back and you say, let's keep it simple and stupid. So we've come back to the time that we say, no, this is just too complex. Just let's make it simple and stupid. I don't see the screen here anywhere. But the thing is, you'll see old stuff, and this is the latest, newest stuff, going to from complex back to simple, efficient. Keep it simple and stupid. One button to fix it. Download here. Often go in here because I want to see the number. We're at 7,000. Nice. 222. Download. Do this automatically. Okay. Click. Right mouse click. So we have a tar ZST. We can extract things like that. So extract things. Ooh, it's not there, right? When you do an ArcoLinux installation, none of it is there. Sound. Oops. Bluetooth. Oops. Samba. Oops. It keeps on oopsing because nothing is there. You still need to figure everything out, and that's what we don't like, and that's why we have ArcoLinux. And it's just one ISO. 10 minutes later, boom, it's installed. Go. So I need to extract. Can't extract. Sudo pacman -s file roller. Done. Can I now extract? Yes, you can, but no, you can't. I can already open with Archive Manager, which will do a bit of the job, but either I log out or I do a thunar -q to quit thunar. You'll say it's not open. Yeah, it kind of was open, but it stays in the background. And then see if we can extract it. So it's not coming. I'm afraid we need to, well, for sure, I'll do a restart, even not a logout, so that xfce gets loaded up again, and file roller, because I just want to extract too. Make it simple. This is what I don't like in xfce as well. So the previous session, if last night I shut down my computer, I boot up, everything is opens again, right? Everything is back there. I don't want that. No extract here. Why is there no extract here? I have to think about that. Why is there no extract here? Is there another package that we need? You see, you tend to forget if everything is just the way it is, the way you want it. So let's do it. No, I don't want that. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, my mistake. Oh, my mistake. Sorry. I'm so confused. This is just tar ZST, right? This is just an application. It's not tar GZ. So in my mind, I thought it was a compressed file. It's not a compressed file. It is actually an application. Eric, you're getting all sudo pacman -u. Need to install the package. Hey, voila. Installed. Sorry for that. Let's keep it in the video. Then you can say at least, he's human. ArcoLinux Spices. Either you launch it that way, or, which I prefer, for me as a developer, is launching from a terminal. Anything that goes wrong, an application that you like, you installed it, you've built it from AOR, it goes wrong. Boot it from here. See what it says. See if it gives you a message or anything. So that's the keep it simple, stupid, can't be any simpler button that says get the ArcoLinux keys and packages. Maybe the before. That's the before. There is an update. Okay. So again, that's the before. No, clear. That's the before. And now we'll do a get ArcoLinux keys. He wants to know the root password. Fine. Go get it. There is a 302 already. I see already problems here. 302, but let's see. If everything works just fine, oof, it did work fine, then there is no cause for concern. This can close. And what do we have now? ArcoLinux repo, ArcoLinux third-party repo, extra large repo. I just installed one of these silly things. Pacman -s. I do not hope that we get snow here in Belgium. Really don't want any snow at all. But this is one of those tools that you say, oh my god, right? Oh my god, what's all this? And it's snowing up here a little bit. Control C. So any of our applications, like C matrix is also a beautiful one, sudo pacman. If you're a matrix fan, pacman -s c. I think it's cxx something or c. Yeah, there he is. cx matrix kit. So these are all repos. They are not coming from ArcoLinux. From ArcoLinux or AOR. It's actually our repository. cxx. And we get this. Let him do his job, and let's continue the work. So, technical. We want to know what we're on. Sudo pacman -s dov. Get dov in, so you can tell people, look, I've installed ArcoLinux of an ext4, and this is my setup. I've boot and I've root. And maybe you'd like to have gparted there, grub customizer there. Maybe you want to have a different sddm theme. I was kind of boasting about all the possibilities that sddm provides. So sudo pacman, which terminal is this actually? Help, contain, about. Okay, so this is the xfce look. What maybe you already want to have is, let's get something else in. So sudo pacman -s alacrity. Let's see, is this nicer? Because not every terminal is built the same way. So launching alacrity from the other one, that's all possible. And cxx matrix, and you'll see one is nicer than the other. Agreed? I prefer the one at the bottom. This is silly. So, it's working. I already made a video about how to give it the look, the same look as ArcoLinux, and so get everything back in. Maybe the thing to install as well is so you can find all our stuff in a graphical way, is Pamac all, right? Pamac all, thanks to the Manjaro guys, is a beautiful application that gives you an overview of all the packages you can install, but also the content and where is it coming from. So it answers a lot of my questions. Okay, so Pamac, you can launch it like this, Pamac, but many just type or look for the. I rarely do not go inside these windows, these menus. I use Super Shift D, the D menu, or key bindings, right? Keyboard bindings. But in here somewhere, this one I think, is it. So that's the choice to go to the repositories, take a look. ArcoLinux repo is all of that. and you keep on scrolling, and we're at the bottom. Third party, so not from us, but we build it for you. Here is CX Matrix, but there is so much more. There's Amarok, there's App Image Loader, and so on. That's only the A and the C, and scroll on till we get the Z. And these guys are the super big guys, so that are more, well, close or more than 100 megabytes. Where you know already it's gonna be getting bigger over time. Deezer is here because Spotify is here, so things like that. These are the big guys. A chunk of 369 megabyte. So I don't know if you hear the music, but that's my neighbor coming home. The people we have, right? There, we don't have the choice. This is new. I've just put it online, so let's apply it here as well. The Tela theme, Tela circle theme. And it depends, right? If you're an xfce or Mate or Plasma or whatever thing you're on, I think this has been enough. You need to figure out how to apply a theme. Tiling window managers often have Alex appearance, and the others, well, they have settings. It's quite big. 435 megabytes for icons. Okay, done. So now you've seen me install something with this, because normally, right, my thing is sudo pacman -s and go. So that's possible as well. Settings manager, appearance, at white at dark, maybe you like this one, icons, and then Tela circle. We got already something else. This is the standard default well, panel item. Let's do add new items, menu. We prefer the whisker menu. We can add it to the menu. It's gonna be here. We gotta move this thing to there. Then we can remove this one. Yes, please. And then we have our way of doing things. And I do this because of the icons, right? Because the icons are looking like this. This is the Tela circle blue. I should open this as well. So you see, that's the other look. That look, that look, that look, that look. That look, that look, that look. Okay, choices. Lots of choices. Nord look. I'm gonna keep the Nord look. Et voila. So the Tela icons. Now maybe I can keep on talking, you know. One of the issues we have in general Linux is that these guys who create the icons don't create icons for every Linux distribution out there. Of course not. So they have a few operating systems for sure that they follow, but not the ArcoLinux apps, for example. Will there be an icon for ArcoLinux Spices? No, there is an icon, but it's actually the missing image icon that's there. So if you want to think about that and say, okay, that's not okay, then knowledge, it's always boils down to knowledge. Watch videos. If we go to the icons, in here we have our choice. Which choice was it again? Tela circle Nord dark. Tela circle Nord dark. Tela circle Nord N here, yes. Tela circle Nord dark. Control C. I go to my own system. Control H. I do my no, it's not there. Create folder .icons Eric .icons. I put it here. Okay, and this is mine, so I'll put my name behind it, Eric. And it closed. It crashed on me. Why did it crash on me? So icons, and inside the index theme, I need something. Control T, no, doesn't work. Oops, my mistake. What I want to do is Control T, and then sudo pacman -s. I need an editor. I'm gonna get the one from the repo of ArcoLinux. So that works. In the meantime, I'm really fed up with the wallpaper. Don't know about you. Variety is a great thing. Gets my wallpaper, sets my wallpapers, go. Go variety, go. Voila. Go, accept. Yeah, sure, go. Up. And we have nothing. Let me see. What's he doing? Ah, okay. He was unresponsive for a moment there. I like to have my little icon there to say next. Okay. So index theme. He wants to put something on a panel. No, don't do that. Open with another application. Sublime text. As always, don't ask me this rubbish thing again. And in here, inherits high color, I'm gonna say surfen. Now surfen is an icon that is not like Sardi. It can contain all kinds of colors. Now, surfen is not yet installed. Okay, sudo pacman -s surfen icons git. Now it is installed. Now it is installed. So file system, user, share. I need to be absolutely sure that the naming is correct. Surfen, capital S. Okay. Surfen, capital S. Save. So Tela circle node dark. Hola. Eric. Save. That's mine. And I've made a little change in the index theme. If the icon is not there and all our ArcoLinux things are not there, then take something else. That's what we told him. And now we go to the systems, to appearance, to icons. Here's the Eric. Changes this as well. Close. And accessories, ArcoLinux Spices. It has an icon. And all the icons that are not present wow, it changed more than I thought, right? It changed more than I thought. That's strange. So the result, I didn't expect to have this kind of result. Control H, icons, Tela circle or dark Eric, yeah. And then let's delete icon theme cache. Index theme, inherits, surfen. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's log out. And then it's building up again, right? Figuring everything out. And this is not working as it's supposed to do, supposed to be. Very strange indeed, because let's undo it and say the system. If we delete the surfen again, or maybe put it behind, that's an other idea, right? Trial and error. Why is it doing this thing? Strange. Surfen. Do we need a GTK update thing? Do we need to tell one level up and an open terminal here? GTK and an update or something. Update icon cache. Tela circle dark. created successfully. Look at that. So for one reason, doesn't like it. Doesn't like what we're doing. So this one stays, save. We can always ask one level up, arrow up, do it again. Let's go back and change it and see if we get our old result back. So this look or that look. So that's definitely not working. Maybe because of dependencies. Maybe links. He's looking for things that are not there. one level up, tell a circle north, 16 apps. You see? So that's the problem. What you could normally do is not working for this particular thing, because, and then maybe we can do something else as well. I'll just type it. Sudo tuner. What am I doing? I'm running this as root user share icons. So I want this to work. It has to be where it should be, and user share icons, and the references to this thing is not there. So as a result, we get strange things. So let's go for appearance, icons, switch and switch. We need to log out or make it again. Now we have not changed the code, file system. Let's first have a look. User share. You see how everything immediately becomes longer. This was not my intention to make this so long, but okay. It is still, think, use your brain. And normally I would do a compare, right? But we know what the difference should be. Open with Sublime Text. I want this to be surfing, high color, and that's Eric. That's okay. That's saved, and all of these will point to something, and that should work. Let's look at the scalable places, for example. Those are all the colors, right? Okay. So if I choose, this is definitely ugly, appearance, icons, this is what we get, and this is what we get here. Now this is strange. The only thing I can think about is the sudo gtk update icon cache for user share icons, and then tela capital, kala capital, circle north, and then dark, north, dark, and then Eric. Cache file created. It was missing the cache file. So in the meantime, a new wallpaper. Oh, it's not reacting. Come on. Accessories, and that's the point, right? ArcoLinux Spices. That has an icon now because of the fact I should make an icon for this one. Developments, and so on and so on and so on. All right, I'm not gonna have more what ifs. The video will be only longer. It's already 29 minutes, but have a look at this. How stunning is this? How beautiful is this? Wallpapers are life. Can I quickly do something more? Quickly. If I say wallpapers, add Wallhaven, abstract. Okay. Abstract. There's the first one coming in, second one coming in. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. It's variety that gets me awesome wallpapers. This is also a nice one. Go to left, go to the right, choose by clicking, wait for it to download more and more and more, and have fun. All right, cheers for now. This is the last thing. Oh yeah, Neo fetch, come on, in the middle. By the way, I'm on Arch. Cheers.